Chapter 12. Clean Surroundings. We must have a clean surrounding in order to be healthy. Dirty surroundings lead to the growth of germs that cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, dengue, and plague. Dirty and stagnant water is the breeding ground of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes cause diseases like malaria and dengue. Maintaining cleanliness. We can do many things to maintain cleanliness in our surroundings. Some of the ways are: clean the floor of your house with a broom. Collect the garbage properly and throw it in the dustbin. Use only covered dustbins. Remove cobwebs from your house. Have proper drains in your house. Clean the drains every day. Waste. Every day we throw things which are of no further use to us. This includes peels of fruits and vegetables, paper, plastic bags, old toys, metals, and old clothes. Waste is also generated in offices, hospitals, factories, markets, schools, and colleges. So, it is very important to dispose of the garbage properly. Type of waste. The waste we produce can be divided into two types: biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste. 1. Biodegradable waste. Some wastes rot easily. They are called biodegradable wastes as they degrade, break down, and mix with the soil. Peels of vegetable and fruit, leftover food, newspapers, magazines, books, fallen leaves, human and animal body are biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable waste. 2. Non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable wastes don't rot and mix with soil easily. Things made of plastic, polythene bags, glass, and metal are examples of non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Disposal of waste. We throw waste in dustbins. The garbage collector collects the garbage from each home and dumps it in the community dustbin of that area. Trucks of local municipal authorities pick up this garbage. They use the following methods to dispose waste. Garbage being collected. Open dumping. Biodegradable waste can be dumped in the open. This method of waste disposal pollutes the environment. The waste rots and becomes manure that can be used for plants. Landfill. Garbage can be dumped outside city limits in places called landfills. These landfills are covered with soil to prevent the breeding of insects and germs. It is the oldest form of waste treatment. Landfill. Burning. Another way of disposing of waste is by dumping the waste in one place and burning it in large furnaces. But this process is not a very clean process. It releases toxic ash that pollutes the air. Disposal of waste by burning. Compost pit. In remote areas, people dig a pit in the ground and dump their household waste in it. After some time, this waste turns into manure. It is used by the farmers in their fields. We can solve the problem of waste disposal by generating as little waste as possible. Compost pit. Waste management. There are simple 3 R's in which waste can be managed. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. 1. Reduce. It means to use less. For example, we can save electricity by switching off unnecessary lights and fans. 2. Reuse. It means to use things again. For example, the plastic or glass bottle in which we buy various food items can be reused. Cardboard boxes can be used to store things. Plastic jars or aluminum cans can be made into pencil holders. We can reuse envelopes and gift papers. 3. Recycle. We can save our natural resources like trees, soil, water, etc. by recycling. When you recycle paper, you cut less trees to make newspapers. Some people like the waste collectors or kabadiwalas collect used paper from every house and give it to the recycling factories, which make fresh paper from the old. Things made of glass and metals are also crushed and recycled into new products. Symbol of 3 R's. Do you know? Paper is recycled to make new paper. Broken glass pieces are recycled to make new containers, while steel cans are melted to make new cans. Value voice. We should keep our surrounding clean. It is the only way to keep the environment healthy. Key words. Compost. Decayed matter used as a soil improver. Recycling. Making a new thing from an old thing. Reuse. Using the same thing after it has been made new again. Dispose of. To get rid of. Let's remember. Always keep your surroundings clean. We should throw waste materials only in the dustbin. There are 2 kinds of wastes, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Waste is disposed of by burning, open dumping in landfills, and by digging compost pits. Recycling makes a thing fit to be used again. Paper, glass, aluminium, and plastic are recyclable materials.